children, welcome to DAV Sri Vishnu Vidyaniketan online classes. We are discussing experimental studies and today we are going to know about nucleus cells in onion peel. So, let us see what are the materials required for demonstrate this module. Glass slide, cover slip, onion, forceps, blotting paper, methylene blue, glycerine, watch glass, needle and a microscope. First, to demonstrate this experiment, the major ingredient is an onion. Cut that onion into 2 pieces and try to take some part of onion. Break it into 2 and try to separate them. When we are breaking that onion, we can observe a thin layer which is translucent membrane holding the piece together. Try to separate that and take a forceps and inoculate a small piece of membrane with the help of forceps. Now place that small piece of membrane into a clean glass slide. Add a drop of water to it. Immediately we have to add on a drop of methylene blue solution. Then leave the slide for 5 to 10 minutes. Wipe off the extra stain with blotting paper. Now we have to take glycerin. It is a clinical glycerin, so add few drops carefully on the peel. Cover it with a cover slip and we have to carefully do this one and we have to avoid forming air bubbles. Now the slide is ready. Observe under the microscope. Arrange the slide carefully under the microscope and now let's go. We can see the onion peel cells under the microscope and the structure will be like this. You can see each and every cell boundaries and the darker part which you are observing over there, it is nothing but a nucleus. The cell membrane and nucleus we are clearly seeing in this module. That's all children. I hope you understand. We will meet with another topic and another experiment under the microscope in another video. Thank you. Keep learning, keep getting knowledge.